Hey, welcome to my newest listing here in Dewey, Oklahoma at 313 Angus Drive, unit number 1. That's right, this is a 55 plus condo community and this place is killer. This house is awesome. It is 2 beds, 1 bath, over 1,100 square feet. It's got a single car garage. This whole place is centered around this beautiful courtyard. This place is awesome. There's fireplaces here. There's a fireplace inside, beautiful. I'm so excited to show you, so let's go check her out. So what do we got here? We have got the, now we've got to turn off the tracking, the facial tracking stuff. So we have got this beautiful corner lot here. Very nice. Apparently the corner lot at the condo is super good. So we're gonna go in. We've got this front door here, a little storm door. We love those. And let's take a look. We walk in, got a nice little, if we can show you that, tile entryway. And then the living room is nice, large, got carpet, very nice carpet, smells great in here. And we've got this beautiful fireplace. Love the stone, love the gold accents. We got some built-ins. We've got a coat closet over here. So nice little coat closet. And let's see, moving along, let's go check out the bedroom. So down this hall right here, we have got some bedrooms. This is a like a mechanical closet. It's got your furnace, nice Goodman unit. And then we have got bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1 is nice, spacious, bright, very, very cool. This one has a big walk-in closet. So check this thing out. Massive walk-in closet. We love that. Love that for our bedrooms. We've got another little closet right here. So it's got plenty of storage space. We have got down this other hall, we've got this laundry closet here. So if you see that, you've got the shelves, open shelving. We have got the bathroom, so it comes with the vanity range here. Let's see, there we go. That's a good angle. You got the vanity, got the mirror. Let's go. And then we have this bathroom. So we got the commode here, and then you got the walk-in tile shower. It's complete with the bench here. Let's see if we can get a good shot at it. Yeah, it's got the bench. And then you got the handle assist. So 55 plus community, you may need that. All right, moving on. We're heading out, going to the next place. We've got bedroom number 2 here. So nice and bright. This is like the corner bedroom, like similar to a corner office, but I think I prefer the other room with the big walk-in closet. This one here has a closet. Not as large as the walk-in, but still a good closet. All right, let's go check out the kitchen. The kitchen's great. It's a good spaced unit. It's 1,100 square feet, a little more than 11, but it's a good spacing. So all right, here we are. We're in the kitchen. Kitchen is a nice galley kitchen. You can see both sides here. Let's see what we got. We have got a trash compactor. We have got upper cabinets. We have got some open shelving, the range, vent hood. Got where your fridge goes. This is uppers, all uppers here, all the way across. More uppers above the sink, lowers. And we got the dishwasher. It also has this cool opening into the dining area, so that's nice. The dining area is a great space too, so we're gonna walk in and check that out. So big dining spot here. We've got that's outside to the courtyard, we'll get to that. But big enough space, that's a big table. That seats 10 people. plenty of space for that. There's even more leaves. Like there's plenty of space to get a big group of people in here if you're entertaining, your family if you live here. So big, nice dining area. We like that. It's got looks like LVP floors, fan. All right, now let me show you the single car garage because it's got a single car garage. So insulated garage door opener, pretty good size space. Got some pegboard, some shelving here, room for pretty much whatever you want to do, even room for a safe. So open shelving, there's our attic access right there. And then let's go check out the courtyard here. So the courtyard is beautiful. Check this thing out. But before we do, look at this. This is a nice little seating area that we have. So you got a little patio, room for the grill, hang out. But look at this beautiful courtyard. This whole complex centers around this courtyard. Got a little sidewalk all the way around. You get your steps inside, and then we've got the like an exterior access point to it. So really a good spot here. I am a sucker for these condos. They're super good. But anyway, let's see if we can set this thing up and get me to, yeah, there we go. So, all right, guys, 313 Angus Drive, unit number 1 here in Dewey, Oklahoma. Let's recap this thing. We have got 2 bedrooms. We've got 1 bath. It's over 1,100 square feet at this place. And you got a single car garage. That living room is beautiful. It's got that gorgeous fireplace. We absolutely love that. Hey, let's set this thing up here. Let's get a little better shot. Yes, let's do that. It's got a beautiful stone fireplace. The big walk-in closet inside of that bedroom is killer. You got another bedroom. You got the full tile shower with the bench and the handle assist. And then like a separate vanity room. So if you got more than one person here, you can do a couple things. Kitchen's a great size, great galley size, plenty of storage options. You have got the big dining room. That dining room has tons of space. You could seat 10 people in there if you wanted to. And then the single car garage. We've got enough space for storage and shelving. There's enough space for like a gun safe if you wanted to do that. And then this beautiful outdoor patio right here. This gorgeous courtyard here. I mean, just beautiful. Look at this thing. Got all the a walkway, a sidewalk all the way around. And so listen to this. So your HOA fees, $200 a month. In that is included your exterior maintenance. They just put a whole new roof on this place. And get this, your city utilities are included on that. So your water, your trash, your sewer, all included on that $200 a month HOA fee. So this thing is coming to the market later this week for just $125,000. So watch for it online, check it out. If you see it on Zillow, call me. Whatever you see, give me a shout. If you have any questions, have some comments, DM me. However you want to get a hold of me, my number is 918-693-3535. I'm the Real Estate Rhino. If you got any questions, I'll see you in the comments. See ya.